Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use the Bookelicious website as an educator. First, go to bookelicious.com. Click Sign in the upper right corner, then select As an Educator. You can log in using a single sign-on provider like Clever, ClassLink, or Google, or you can create an account with a username and password by clicking Sign Up. If you sign in with Clever, ClassLink, or Google and your account is tied to a school, Bookelicious will automatically connect to your classrooms as long as you have classes assigned to you in your student information system or through Google Classroom. Now, I'm going to take you through a test educator account so you can see all the features that Bookelicious has to offer. First, we have our homepage. Once you're signed in, this is the homepage. Here, you'll see everything Bookelicious has to offer, like virtual author events, Bookmoji avatars, our pop-up shop fundraiser tool, and our full catalog of over 40,000 curated titles. There are also quick links just for educators and families. Bookelicious is all about discovery, helping students find books that match their interests. The first thing you'll want to do is create your Bookmoji, which is your reading identity avatar. Click Create a Bookmoji at the top. I already have a Bookmoji, so you'll see a Bookmoji here, but on your account, you'll see Create a Bookmoji. From here, you can customize your avatar with outfits, accessories, pets, themes, based all on your interest. Everything from holidays to sports. When you hit save, Bookelicious will generate personalized book recommendations based on your choices. You'll see those books appear at the top on your bookshelf right above your Bookmoji. From your bookshelf, you're able to explore the various books through something called a quick card. You can click on any book to view a quick card. On your quick card, you'll see title and author information, the recommended grade levels for that book, part of the summary. You'll also see related categories where you can find books similar to this by clicking into the category. You also have the option to add the book to your book bag for purchase, or you can click the heart to save it for later in your wish list. You can also click on the book detail page to learn more about that title. On the detail page, you can learn more about this title, such as format options, reader reviews and awards, series information, and even BISAC and Lexile data. You'll also see a Borrow a Book option. Clicking that will open WorldCat, where you can check out your local library's availability of that title. To manage your classrooms, click on your name in the upper right and choose My Classrooms or My Schools, depending on your permissions. If you signed up manually, you'll need to create classrooms and add students yourself, or we can connect you on the back end to your school or district. Please use Contact Us at the bottom of the page to request this. If you signed in with Clever, ClassLink, or Google, your classroom should appear automatically. You'll see class names, grade levels, enrollment, and the school year. Click in a class to view student details. For each student, you can see their Bookmoji, their unique student codes that can be shared with families, their wish list, and any book reviews that they've written. To view a student's wish list, click on the heart. To view their book reviews, click on the star. A note on book reviews. Student book reviews are moderated by Bookelicious, so they will appear only once approved. From your classroom page, you can select students and take 4 actions. The first is to print Bookmojis. This is great for classroom displays, as each student's Bookmoji is on a separate page. You can also print invites. These include information for families to connect their accounts with a student's account. You can also print wish lists. They print 1 per student, including book images, the title, and the author. This is great for summer reading or during breaks for students to find books they're interested in, either through your library or at the local library. Finally, you can export wishlist data. This will give you a separate spreadsheet of students' wishlist titles with the title, author, series information, and more. This data is super helpful for planning classroom purchases or library updates based on real student interests. Finally, you'll have an Update Classroom Roster button. If you're using Google Classroom, click Update Classroom Roster anytime you add or remove students. For Clever or ClassLink, updates happen nightly, but you can also click to refresh manually. There are a few other things to note about your Bookelicious account. If you click on the name, you also have an option for My Account. Here you can view and update your profile info, see your Bookelicious credit balance, see billing and shipping information as well. Under Orders, you can see the status of your current orders and view any past orders. Under Wish List, you can access your educator wish list, where you can build lists of books you want to buy for your classroom or the library or for yourself personally. Inside your wish list, you can change formats, set quantities, re-rank titles, print or export your list, or add books to your book bag, which is basically your shopping cart. Once books are in your book bag, you have two checkout options. One is checkout. This lets you pay directly using your credit card, Venmo, Apple Pay. You can also enter a coupon code or gift certificate for payment. The other option is request a quote or invoice. This option is perfect if your school or district is paying with a purchase order or school credit card. You can fill in billing and shipping information, add notes, and submit your request. We'll send you an official quote or invoice for payment. This makes it easy to align your book orders with how your school handles purchases. Finally, check out the Educator dropdown to learn more about our special programs, such as author events with Bookelicious Presents and John Shoe Live, pop-up shops, our fun personalized book fair fundraisers, Bookmoji Plus, our school subscription program, School Library Refresh, a personalized collection development with library processing, and summer reading. You can also browse the bookstore for our full catalog, check out experience spotlights, and see curator collections recommended by educators. That's it for this basic walkthrough of Bookelicious for educators. Thank you for watching and happy reading.